Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how was your day? We hope you are always in a good condition. We are from Ataka and this is our final game presentation. Before we start our presentation, let's meet our team members. Ataka was handled by 5 people that are Andayani Kusumaningsih, Farida Fatmawati, Salmadian Andina Sari, Uswatun Hasanah, and Fitroh Muhammad Ridwan. Okay, let's move to our presentation.
First of all, this is our final game result. In this final game, we got the fourth position with a score of 66.95. We got this position because we have many weaknesses that must be fixed. Unfortunately, in this last game, our net profit was minus. This condition might be the cause of our defeat. To find out our team weaknesses, let's see the presentation of each feature.
First features is retail. In this final game, we choose to open 3 retails that are New York, Mexico, and Chicago that has the most population with a 30-day contract 60% discount. We also always choose the cheapest vendor to price the cost of goods sold so it can raise up our net profit. In retail, we have many weaknesses. First, we often meet conditions where all vendors are running out of stock. Second, cash on hand runs out quickly because of the high rental price. We can fix our weaknesses by doing procure finished goods as early as possible to avoid vendors running out of stock. We also can focus to maximize the usage of the retail areas so we might never meet overflow condition that can increase our expenses. Next features is e-commerce. We plan to play this model at the beginning of the game because in this condition there are many requests available for the many customers. At the beginning of the game, all of the requests also have the high price. We must immediately send the goods as soon as possible so the goods might never let arrive to the customers. For e-commerce, sometimes we forget to ensure the availability of goods in the warehouse, and sometimes we didn't make a discussion with the warehouse to ask about the goods which made us late to send the goods to the customer. We were also not paying much attention to the price proposed by the customer, so sometimes it made us get the lowest price. At the game, we must always stay connected and stay communicated with the warehouse to always ensure that there is the availability of goods that can be sold. We must pay much attention to these features so we can focus to play it at the beginning of the game because it might be made us get the highest price from customers.
Next, marketing. Marketing in this game, we choose to ask 3 types of marketing, which are YouTube, Instagram, and Meta, with a fee of 100 for each media and each product on each retail location. We believe that marketing is the key to getting revenue from retail. We have one weakness in our marketing because when we are in the middle of the game, Chicago meets overflow condition, so we choose to raise the marketing settings on this retail location become 200, which means the operating expense is increasing. To fix this weakness, after on retail that meets overflow condition is no longer overflowing, our team must immediately do the reduction in the amount of marketing, so the operating expense can also be reduced. We make by a marketing report so we can adjust marketing features to market condition. Next, service. We have a strategy that is always trying to make bids as much as possible so that we can beat those bids and our revenue will increase. In the middle of the game, we miss some bid so the service revenue does not increase and only increase again in the last 3 days. To fix our weakness, we suggest that we must focusing on member on this feature because it is so important to increase the company revenue.
Human research or HR. We play this game by applying some strategies which are 1. One member focus to handle this feature. 2. Always give more attention to this feature. 3. Providing staff counseling and staff training to staff who has an issue. And 4. If there is an empty position, we must hire new staff as soon as possible. Although many staff has issues that are causing the company's human research expense to increase to very high, we must keep continuing to always make effort for staff who have issue to support staff turnover ratio and staff availability for company service feature.
Warehouse. We just rent a location warehouse in Miami with a capacity of 3,500 to support sales wholesales and sales e-commerce, and also for raw material for production process. We choose this location due to consideration of rental price and the population. In this feature, the warehouse usage is still not optimal with a capacity of 3,500 because raw material vendors and vendors for wholesales are often in all vendors run of stock condition, and the delivery is also quite long. Because of that, we must pay attention to the amount of inventory in the warehouse so we can procure finished goods as early as possible to avoid the all vendors run of stock condition. B2B or wholesales. In this final game, we try to take all the deals requests that appear in this feature. We also try to follow all existing bids in this final game to reach the highest score of wholesales. Unfortunately, there are vendor run of stock conditions that sometimes create a lack of stock and affects the delays in shipping the goods and occurs high penalty expenses due to late delivery to the customer. So, we must always re-ensure the availability of goods in the warehouse before taking the deal and before bid, so that it will reduce the likelihood of occurrence penalty expenses due to late shipment to the customer.
Okay, the next is production. To decrease the cost of goods sold, we choose to start the production process from the beginning of the game. We purchase the base machine and procure raw material by adjusting the production composition of each unit product. Okay, now the weakness of the production feature is the lack of scrupulousness in calculating the amount of raw material to be used for production process. Also, several times there was a decline in production due to the vacancy of the raw material in the warehouse. Due to this weakness, we must be focusing on calculating amount the composition of each raw material that will be used for the production process. And we must always check up the number of the raw material left so that there is no fault and decrease in production. The maintenance. In this final game, we choose to use the periodic type of maintenance model for every 5 days so that the production machine keep working optimally and always at 100% OEE machine. Okay, the weakness of this feature is the use of a periodic type of maintenance in model every 5 days. Affect the occurrence of increased operating expense of our company, but we just can suggest that we must keep using the periodic type of maintenance in model every 5 days to maintain the OEE machine always at the level of 100% and the company's production process work as optimally as possible.
Next, forecast. Forecast. In this final game, unfortunately, our team forgot to look at this feature. Our team made several purchases by credit payment without looking at this feature first. This condition will currently affect our cash on hand and our cost of goods sold. This high increase of cost of goods sold, which was not accompanied by sales increasing, caused our net profit to be low till minus. Meanwhile, the profit is the key to reach a great score. This is why our team score was not too good in the final game.
Transaction list. In this last feature, we tried to always pay attention to the transaction list that need to be journalized. And we also tried to never make mistake and never make error while doing the journalizing. That's all our presentation from our team Ataka. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.